Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are good at home. This is my the tenses 2 video. I already uploaded my tense part 1. In that part 1 I made a video present continuous. This is sorry, present simple present. Now this is the present continuous tense. Structure: subject plus is, am, are plus v1 plus ing plus object or complement. Nowadays, these days. Present continuous tense is used in form of time of actions. First rule is the definition. This tense is used to denote an action is going on at the time of speaking. Present, it is the time of speaking on the spot. Like children are moving noise. Children are making noise now. Radha is singing now. She is washing the class now. They are playing cricket now. I am preparing food now. For this example, like 4 forms of first rule. Why we are using 4 forms? Like we are whenever you are speaking, we are communicate with others. We have to just to ask the questions or ask the negative form, like positive. Use the positive sentence, negative sentence. It's nothing but asking questions. They are playing now. They are not playing now. Are they playing now? Aren't they playing now? Are they not playing? Are they not means it's the extended form of aren't. Then second rule. For the second rule definition, the tense is used to denote an action began in past and it is continuing in present and also possible in future. Means it's already begun in past. It's continuing in present. Now it's continuing and also possible in future also. For example, he is going to market nowadays. Are these days. Nowadays and these days are now is the keywords for a present continuous tense. Lakshmi is doing computer course nowadays or these days. For these 4 forms of second rule, he is going to market nowadays. He is not going to market nowadays. Is he going to market nowadays? Isn't he going to market nowadays? Isn't for extended form? Is he not? Then after third rule definition. This tense is used to denote pre-planned actions or a near future action. It's already pre-planned action. It also it's a near to future action also. It's infinite. It's maybe do or not do. I am going to buy a car tomorrow. To infinity. And they are coming to Guntur tomorrow. She is coming here tomorrow. For these 4 forms, they are coming to Guntur tomorrow. It's a positive sentence, positive statement. They are not coming to Guntur tomorrow. It's a negative statement. Are they coming to Guntur tomorrow? It's a positive interrogation. Are they not? Aren't they coming to Guntur tomorrow? It's a negative interrogation. Aren't extended form? Are they not? Then fourth rule definition. This tense is used to denote repeated actions or vexed activity or annoyed activities. Keywords are always, frequently, continuously. For example, the baby is always crying. The phone is always ringing. They are always watching movies. The fan is always rotating or running. So friends, this is a present continuous tense. In next video, I will try to explain in this present continuous some we have to do some omit of emissions. Omissions. I will tell and I will make a video in next 2 days after 2 days. If you like my video, please subscribe and like, share and comment. Thank you. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.